This is Mi A2. Mi A2 is still working 2020. Find out in this video. I'm from SHADAT'S. So let's see the video. Welcome back. Mi A2 launched July 2018. Mi A2 comes with 5.99-inch touchscreen, 77.4 skin to body ratio. Mi A2 comes with Android 1. So now Mi A2 running Android 10. I hope Android 11 coming very soon. Mi A2 using chipset Snapdragon 660 with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So all the app opening and closing speed, I think more enough for this almost 2 years smartphone. And also fingerprint scanner speed pretty well. So now you can play Call of Duty and PUBG in a medium and low graphics. Now A2 powered by 3000 mAh battery with 18W fast charger, and this is also support quick charger 3. Let's move on camera section. Mi A2 comes with dual camera setup. First one 20 megapixel 1.8 aperture, second 12 megapixel 1.8 aperture, and main camera you can record high 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080 30fps video with EIS, and you also record 720p 120fps slow-mo video. So the question is, do you have to buy Mi A2 2020, or if you are already using Mi A2, do you have to upgrade your phone right now? My answer is yes, but no. If your budget is low and you want to buy any stock Android phone, I think Mi A2 very good choice, because this phone running Android 10 and Android 11 coming very soon, and also you can record 4K 30fps video. If you are already using Mi A2, you have to upgrade this phone right now, because this phone using chipset Snapdragon 660. Snapdragon 660 not a big deal in 2020, I think. Okay, this is all about Mi A2. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shala from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.